It has been quite warm this Pisces season. The time to collect maple sap is over. Even my garlic is already growing quite well. However, the warmth is not without contradictions. The beautiful yellow blooms on this bush with snow falling around them is quite a scene. However, spring is soon to arrive, so I need to prepare. One of the first things I need to do is uncover my garden area fig plant. I remember when I covered this up 3 months ago during Sagittarius. The idea was to try to keep the top growth alive. Let's see how it done. This looks like some kind of mold or fungus on the areas where I cut the growth back. Not sure if that will cause a problem or not, but at least these branches don't look orange and shriveled, which is a good sign. This apple tree has been let go many times and has become overgrown. It usually doesn't produce much, but I will prune it anyway and see what I can get it to do. Pisces is the sign of the two fish, and the last sign of the zodiac. It is said that during this time, it rains more than other seasons of the year. Therefore, the sign Pisces was named after the fish. which is a watery animal. It is also said that if there is any snow or ice, that it is converted more quickly into water than in the other winter times. This Pisces season, it has rained quite a lot. And any snow there has been has never accumulated or stayed around long. In astrotheology, Pisces can be associated with the baptism of water and the journey through the wilderness. In astrology, Pisces can be associated with dreams and illusions. To me, it is like the last of the darkness, fooling us and trying to lead us astray. Before the sun comes into its power at the spring equinox and shines through the illusions with its light. Pisces may be an end, but a beginning will soon come. Let's continue preparing for a part of that beginning. Now it is time to uncover my other in-ground fig plant. Like the first one, I covered this one up 3 months ago during Sagittarius, with the idea that if I actively heat this box and keep the top growth warm enough, it should survive the cold just fine. I kept the box heated to between 29 and 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and it seems to have worked nicely. No signs of winter kill at all. As we approach the end of Pisces, new growth is appearing. Not just the garlic and yellow blooms I showed at the beginning of this video, but also this wild dandelion plant that I have adopted. And the ants are already active. We have finally arrived at the last day of Pisces, the end of the dark time of year. Tomorrow is the spring equinox, the beginning of the zodiac, a time of rebirth. See you on the other side. Feel free to leave any thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.